Yagway. I'm Julie. I'm the Executive Director for the American Red Cross here in Northwest Arkansas, and we want to invite you to a day where you can get help from these devastating tornadoes that have rolled through our communities.
Yang nganolep eden karain Julie, Executive Director ng Red Cross. Immediately when invite the all of Rome Chorene Antonido Archelader, pero nito kung pigot chibang ilo Raja Rai School, merong walen ilo Raja Rai School.
With a bunch of different organizations, the Red Cross, Salvation Army, and several others who are able to help you with your recovery.
Red Cross yan perilo Raja Rai School, yung kubado rolo ko siya ng chibang Rome Tonyo Toyo Archelader, pero merong loy chibang choreng orawa ng irong family wire.
Okay, so this will be next Tuesday, June 11th, and then Wednesday, June 12th. And they will be at 12 to 7 on Tuesday and 12 to 5 on Wednesday.
Tuesday ilo chun chuan ran eni kamanjen chungurwa wangan chimjonawa chora. Yumilo Wednesday chun ran eni kamanjen chungurwa wangan walenawa chora.
Our friends here at the Arkansas Coalition of Marshallese are going to be there to help with the translation, just like this.
Email ever perkataan berkecilage drain materi ilo ACOM ubijani ACOM ranit perilo tereng nganer cibang ugo ngan romer ngajai ugo agak cibang ikpe wawair.
So thank you, and we're so happy to be partnering with the Arkansas Coalition of Marshallese.
Yung perkataan lewajan nanin kamolol, yung kamolol ngan partner yair, murmuna monono perinarang partner penar dan Coalition of Marshallese. Kamolol ngan ale pun jaraman.
Thank you.